Hey there, I'd like to share my review on the sausage slicer. And so I'm actually going to be using this for bananas. And so your wires are pretty firm. It's a very nice metal heavy duty top. Your base is plastic. And so I'm actually going to be making freeze dried bananas. And so all you have to do, and again, you could use this with hot dogs, strawberries, eggs, anything that has like that soft meat. So just lay it in there and then press it down, slice it, and then dump it out. And then for my freeze-dried bananas, I'm just gonna separate them so it cut through really, really nice. And this is gonna make, banana treats so much easier. And in just a few minutes and 4 bananas later, I've got them all sliced and ready to freeze. And then don't forget, a great use for your banana peels would be to soak them in water and pour them over your rose bushes for that extra potassium.